Welcome to Bali. Let's discover the southern of the island. Hello everyone, we hope to find you well and happy. Let's explore the beauty of South Bali with us, BaliWonder.com, professional travel planner, with affordable fares.
The central first here, there are a lot of things to see. Beautiful. The central culture art.
The highlight of this tour, discover 5 Bali's must-visit iconic places in the southern part of the island. Number 1. Nusa Dua Beach. Number 2. GWK, the Garuda Wisnu Kencana and Culture Park. Number 3. The Uluwatu Cliff Temple. Number 4. The Kecak dance performance. Number 5. The Jimbaran Bay for a beach village with a seafood dinner. The duration of this tour is 12 hours, with a full air-conditioned private vehicle. Start your day by joining the best water sports and marine activities at Tanjung Benoa's white sandy, in North Nusa Dua beaches. The Garuda Wisnu Kencana and Culture Park, GWK, will also be visited. Uluwatu Cliff Temple is the best spot to see a tropical sunset. During sunset, the Kecak and Fire Dance Show is available to watch at the Uluwatu Temple compound. The price of this tour package starts from $55 per group, depending on the number of guests. Included, air-conditioned private transport, patrol, helpful and friendly English-speaking driver as guide, toll road fees, parking fees, and driver's meals. Excluded, personal expenses, meals, entrance tickets. Thank you for watching our tour itinerary video. If you'd like to book this tour package, please open the link in the description. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, like, and comment, so we can improve it in the future. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we hope you have more knowledge about the tours and activities that you are going to do in Bali. Looking forward to exploring the beauty of the island with you. Best regards from Bali. BaliWonder.com, professional travel planner, with affordable fares. Find more your essential holiday and travels need in Bali. Bali Airport pickup and transfers. Private car rental sightseeing with English-speaking driver. Active volcano trekking. Ancient healing and private healing. Jeep safari sunrise tours. Adventure tours. Nusa Penida Island tours. Gili Islands, and many more with lowest rates guarantee. Thank you very much and looking forward to exploring the best of Bali with you.